Hello students, after having few percentage of knowledge with regard to the solving of the problems on torsion of shafts, we will continue our discussion on solving few more problems. As I have told few important points in the course of solution of the first problem on torsion of shafts, few same important points will be repeated now before going into the further solution of some more problems. In general, the torque applied will be in anti-clockwise direction, and the sign convention we are using is for anti-clockwise direction of the torque applied, the sign is positive. Convert the value of rigidity modulus G from Newton per mm square to Newton per meter square. Then you substitute in the relevant formula to get the required answer. At each node there will be only one type of load, due to which there will be only one type of displacement. Sentence will be repeated. At each node of the bar structural member or the shaft structural member, there will be only one type of loading, that is torque or the twisting moment, due to which only one type of displacement will occur, that is nothing but angular displacement. Thus, the order of global stiffness matrix, in turn the order of individual element stiffness matrices is proportional to total count of the nodes into 1. Now, when you observe the problem definition of this second problem on torsion of shafts, two words will play a very important role in understanding of the problem from the answer point of view. Those two words are maximum angle of twist. Angle of twist or angular displacement, you students will find out necessarily during the course of solution to the problem. Among the answers of angular displacement quantities or angle of twist symbols, whichever is the maximum, you have to highlight and write a separate sentence as a solution to this particular problem. That is what he is expected from you students, that is, find the maximum angle of twist. Now we will continue our series of equation writing procedure to solve this particular problem. Problem definition goes like this. A bar structural member having circular cross section of 50 mm diameter throughout its span length is firmly fixed at both of its ends and subjected to a torque of 1 kilonewton meter and 1.5 kilonewton meter at the points B and C as shown. Find the maximum angle of twist and shear stresses in each element. Take G equals 7 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per mm square. In general, the numbering or the mentioning of the alphabets will be done from left end to right end. So left end of the structural member, point A. Next point is point B, where a torque of 1 kilonewton meter is acting. Next point is point C, where a torque of 1.5 kilonewton meter is acting, and the last point at the right end of the structural member is point D. The solution to this particular problem will be discussed in next video.